Yo, Instagram fans, want to find your archive stories, posts, and live videos on your phone in 2025? This 2-minute guide's super easy for iPhone or Android. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the Instagram icon on your home screen. Make sure you're signed in. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Step 3. Access your archive. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap your activity. Scroll and hit Archived to see your archive. Find your stories. You'll see your archive stories first. Scroll through to check out your old stories. They're private, so only you see them. Check posts and live. To see archive posts, tap the drop-down at the top and pick Posts Archive. Scroll to find your hidden posts. For live videos, select Live Archive from the drop-down.